What am I doing? I'm doing a drunk Scar from the Lion King makeup tutorial. You guys really liked my last one. I'm drunk right now. Whee! Drunk Pennywise makeup tutorial. You guys were like all for it. So I'm doing a second one of these for the Halloween season. Ooh, get your candy corn. I had 3 glasses of wine and for some reason, I'm like, woo! I saw the Lion King, it was really good and I want to be Scar because he's the ferocious enemy, serpent villain, and I can relate. I'm gonna follow along with this tutorial right here, which is Dope 2-1-1-1's tutorial. So let's start. I'm gonna put my hair up. Like, this wine is literally $10 for this bottle. I'm almost finished the bottle. That's not a good thing. $10 gets you drunk? Like, okay. I didn't mean to do that. Cheers. So the first step, I can't open it. Okay. So basically we just cover our face with orange paint. Oh. When your boyfriend orders the pumpkin spice latte and you just walk in the room like, wait, we have to make like a circle here. So we're just gonna go like around. Wait, oh my God, she went all the way down here. We're gonna have to match her. We're gonna have to match her. Okay, so my mom wanted to see this movie for her birthday. And I was like, because I just like horror movies and that's it. Like, I literally don't like anything else. But it's my mom and I love my mom so much. And if you don't like your mom, please block me, because we all should like our moms, because they literally opened up their vagina so wide for us. Like, if I opened up my vagina that wide for somebody and they just didn't care about me, I would be shooketh to the 9. Like, why doesn't it go on my eyelid? I'm so confused. Like, I'm putting it there. There we go. I already look like Scar. Okay, so we basically just got to put a white ring around our mouth, which, he was happy. A white ring around our mouth. Wait, do we put it on our nose? No. Oh. Okay, sister. Imagine me in the movie. Wait, we gotta make it even to even sides. So we gotta go like this, and then over here we gotta go like this. See, it's even. Wait, can we get some Scar quotes? You Mustafa. Mustafa? No, Mufasa. Bye, Mufasa, you're off this cliff. Okay, stop. That's not funny. That's not funny at all, actually. He was a really sweet lion. Or was he a tiger? Was Mufasa a tiger? She was a tiger. He was a tiger. He had a wife. We're gonna make a really, like, prominent eyebrow. We are Scar. Rawr. There we go. So we just kind of trace outside of it. Oh, that didn't look good at all. Let's just redo that. Oh, okay. I'm doing so good. Okay, now we're gonna make the scar, and this is the most important part. Wait, he has a scar? Why? Why does he have a scar? Wait, do we go right through the eyebrow? We do. So we go right through the eyebrow like this? Why does Scar have a scar? Oh, we go down under the eye, right there. Look at that, I got scratched. Oh, it has to have a pointy top, like it's been scratched. There, eyeliner down here. So we're just gonna do the same. And we're gonna go up here. Pick me, vote for Pedro. I'm gonna do a cat eye because we wanna have a little bit of glam with it. That actually looks so good. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm a cat. 1, 2, 3, 4. She's got black liquid lipstick all over her lips. Kylie has black lipstick. Rise and shine. You just put that like this. You can overdraw your lips, it's perfectly fine. Especially if you're in Halloween, because I have big lips because I have filler because I'm fake. You just want to go like this, and then look at all the pink. I'm falling. Go like this, and then put a little bit like there. That's a hack. See? Some on the nose. Like there. Okay, then she's got some like a V thing right here, and we'll just color it in. Why? Do you know why? We're gonna contour the side of nose to make it really big. Oh, I'm Scarina. I'm so sorry. I look so good. Wait, I need ears. I got the cardboard. Bye. There, my ears. Cute. I hate myself. Mazel tov. Mazel tov. Please have a safe, happy Halloween. If you're gonna drink, please be responsible. Don't do like me. And I'll talk to you guys on my next video. Scarita is out. Bye.